Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are talking about some new beauty products I've been trying or that I've just gotten and I'm going to try. So let's get right into it. I have a small handful of like non-makeup, it's like skincare-ish, and then we'll get into the makeup. So the first thing is something I got from Influencer this month. This is the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. Now the one thing I'll say is I'm not big on like fragrance things, but hot damn. This smells like a hint herbal, but then it kind of has like an appley scent, which I'm a sucker for. So I'm also not really big on hair masks, mostly because my hair is very fine, and because of all the bleaching I've done towards the ends, it's very porous, so it soaks up stuff like this really bad to the point where it's hard to get it out. So I'll let you know how I feel about this if I end up using it or not. So this is the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment, formulated to exfoliate, balance, and minimize the appearance of pores. So, backstory. Misa talked about this in one of her videos, and she said it has the same kind of exfoliating effect as a treatment that's similar to this. It's almost like a toner, but it's like from this crazy expensive brand. And I think the treatment itself is like $100 and something. So I thought I'm gonna give it a try because I love any kind of exfoliating treatment, especially like chemical exfoliators. So I will definitely let you know how I feel about this. I'm going to be trying it soon. All right, this is the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. Now, I've already tried a few Klairs products. One thing I liked and one thing I didn't. So when I got this, I wanted to try it because this is a mask. It's a sleeping pack, or it could be a moisturizer, or you could actually mix it in with other things. I use it as a sleeping mask at night. So I put it on, and honestly, the first time I put it on, I was like, oh my god, this is really sticky. It's not absorbing into my skin. Well, the next night I realized I put on too much, so you don't need a lot, but it's this really cool puddingy texture. It has vitamin E in it. It's very hydrating. You could use it every night if you want, if you have really dry skin, or if you just want like a once a week kind of plump up to your skin. So I actually do have an affiliate code for this. You don't have to use it, but if you'd like to, I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance. It has vitamin C, niacinamide, which is great for wrinkles and for problematic skin, and helps with moisture. So if you definitely need moisture, this is something really nice to try. The next is another Korean beauty product. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. First off, can we talk about how fucking cute this is? I just can't even take it. It's a glass bottle, and it says watermelon on it. And if it says watermelon, I want it. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, but not as sweet, which is just amazing. I use this especially now that it's getting warmer out because it's a lighter kind of gel-like moisturizer. It's not too heavy, it's perfection. I also use it as a primer, very, very nice. All right, I'm gonna talk about the foundation I'm wearing right now. It was my first time trying it today. It's very expensive. This is the Sunday Riley, the Influencer Clean Longwear Foundation. I have the shade 140, like I said, I'm wearing it right now. It's nice, but for the price, I mean, like, it's more of like one of those skincare makeup-y products. So like it's nice for your skin and it's makeup. So it's natural looking, long wear, lightweight feel, satin matte finish, medium to full coverage. I call bullshit at the medium to full coverage. It might be medium. Like even now I can see like my skin over here and like even along like my jawline. And look, you can even see this little blemish I got going on here. It's not full at all. It might be medium. It's nice. You definitely don't need it though. All right, the next I also am excited to try. This is the CATRICE Light Correcting Serum Primer in Candlelight. Shake before use. I haven't tried this yet either. I'm always scared when I get primers because I always think they're going to be, oh, that's actually nice. I always think they're gonna be like real silicone-y. Doesn't have much of I can't really see any light correcting. I don't know what that means. Okay, liquid primer. It has aloe, contains light reflecting pigments. I mean, it looks no more light reflective than the hand that doesn't have it, so I don't know what that means. But CATRICE is pretty affordable, so. Light reflecting pigments for subtle glow on the skin and flattering candlelight shimmer. Well, you know when I try it and see what I think. All right, the next is fastly becoming one of my favorite things, the Kat Von D 24-hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade. I have magenta and lemon green. I love them both. I'm wearing magenta right now. I just ordered Roxy, the purple one. I am dying over them. I also did a video on them if you want to see, I'll link it below. All right, another Kat Von D product is her 10-year anniversary eyeshadow palette. Now, when I see palettes like this, I'm like, oh, it's cool, but will I reach for it? Holy shit, I didn't realize how much I would reach for it until I got it. I reach for it every single day that I wear makeup. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. I was scared of this color right here because I thought it was like that red brown hint of bluish color. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. It's magic. It's all magic. This whole palette is magic. It blends beautifully. The formula is great. Love. All right, the next thing I got, which I was just kind of underwhelmed by, to be completely honest, this is the L'Oreal Paris Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette. Smells really nice, smells kind of, I don't know, I can't remember the smell that I'm thinking of, but I'll list it on the screen if I do remember. They're nice, I did swatches of them. Something's weird about the texture of it though. It's almost like it's too smooth. It almost feels like it's rubbing off as you're putting it on. This is for somebody who is a very natural makeup wearer. It's very pretty, but it's definitely not if you want like bold color. And I don't even mean like blues and greens. It's just, there's just not much there. I'm just about it. I was so excited about these. These are the new Milani Rose Powder Blush Trios. I have Flowers of Love, and then I have Floral Fantasy. Pretty colors. They're all supposed to be new colors, but I feel like they already have these colors in some sense. Like, I feel like I already have this one. This is definitely not even a blush. I mean, maybe it's supposed to be like, maybe it's supposed to be a highlighter or something. They're fine. Milani always has good pigmentation, so that's not an issue. But I almost feel like these are just too like brown undertoned. I don't know what it is. Something about it I don't love. And I love warm orangey colors. And even these, they're very pretty. But I mean, there's just something like about them that I don't love. I don't know what it is. I need to play around with them more though. All right, so that was it for my new products that I'm trying out or I'm about to try. Let me know if you have any questions or if you know of any new products that you think I need to try. Let me know below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.